guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to take you guys and show you our newest listing here in Harrisburg in the Bradford Park subdivision. So bear with me, I'm almost here. I'm in the neighborhood now, so I'm about to make a turn and I'm about to show you this property. In my opinion, if you're looking to be in Harrisburg, the top school system in Cabarrus County, a settled neighborhood, then you want to check out this property, okay? So take a look at this property real quick. And here we are, our newest listing here in Harrisburg. Check this out. Guess what sign is in the front yard? So before I go in here and show you this property, let me drive you through the neighborhood real quick, just in case you're curious what the neighborhood looks like, why I'm so excited about this listing. Let me drive you through the neighborhood real quick and you make the decision on yourself if this is not exciting or not. FYI, this is a 2-story with a basement, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,500 heated square foot. And wait till you see this property, okay? So let me drive you through the neighborhood very quick, and then we'll come back and tour this property. So here we are, just got out of the car, so let me flip the camera around. Very long driveway. Oh, let me show you. Kids running the neighborhood, as you guys can see. A very family oriented neighborhood. Long driveway. And let's go check out the house. Right off the bat, you can tell this is a very private neighborhood. You can see your neighbor, very settled. That neighbor, you got some tree buffers. And here we are. Welcome home, guys. Soon you walk in, you have your stairs here. So right from the entrance, soon you walk in, you have your first room. Could be a sitting area. And right next to it, you got another area that could be, you can call this your dining room. Very nice, very open. Big windows. Then from here, you walk into the kitchen area. With custom cabinets all the way to the ceiling with chrome molding. Got a granite countertop. So we can go from here. So you got a little breakfast area here that you can set up to the living room. Or if you were to go back to the front, you can take this hallway to go back to the front. So coming from the entrance, you can just go from here. You can either go from this side to the back, or you can come around and go from here to your kitchen area. And right outside the kitchen area, you have your living room area. From here, you go on to your downstairs half bath. And here is your garage. So 2-car garage, side load. Come back in the kitchen. So my favorite part about this house here, two of them. First one is this where you're about to go to. This sunroom here. This covered sunroom is my favorite part about this house. One of my favorite part about this home. So you got electrical, you got ceiling fan. It's all cover, window. And you can go from here to go outside. There's a door. And here's the outside. Imagine yourself sitting in this sunroom in a rainy day and just look back and enjoy the rainfall. I mean, it's a perfect setting in my opinion. But anyway, let's go back to the rest of the house. So let's go out now. I'll show you a little bit around there. Now again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, roughly 2,500 square foot. So let's go upstairs. One thing I forgot to mention, hardwood floor throughout. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but always there's a hardwood floor throughout the whole main area. Here we are upstairs. Open ceiling. Coming here, you have your towel rack. First bedroom to the left with a double door. And here's your double door closet. Then right next to it, your second bedroom. I love this bedroom because it has 2 closets. So you got a double door closet here. And if you look over here, you have another closet. So you don't even need a dresser in this room. Right? Now let's walk down the car walk. Yeah, I'll call it car walk. So, I forgot to mention, this is the laundry area in the hallway. You have your laundry area. And here you are, half at the second bath, full bath, down the hall for the other 2 bedrooms. And right here, we are at the entrance of your primary bedroom. Very large primary bedroom with a tray ceiling. Check it out. I'm sure you're curious What is that? Yes, that is a room within a room. In your primary room, you do have a bonus room. That could be a kid's room, a sitting area, a reading area, whatever you wanted to call it. With a double door, or if you work from home, this could be an office inside your primary bedroom. I love this part about this room. Good size room. And from here, let's go check out the primary bath. So as you walk in, you have a his and her sink. Got your jacuzzi tub here. And you have a shower. Very good size shower too, by the way. Your toilet. Have a little towel closet. So here's your shower. Very nice glass shower. Very masculine. And right up here, you have your primary closet. So, I mean, just look at this, how big this primary bath is. I love this. This is very good size. And that's guys. Now let me take you outside and show you the basement. That's one of my other favorite part of this house. It's part finished, no unfinished. It could be a perfect workshop for one who is a handy, like have a lot of tools and just don't want to keep them in the garage like me. So the basement is the best, the perfect place for that. So let's go check that out. So we're back outside and let's walk around to the back. Next door neighbor has a pool. Beautiful day to be in the pool. Look at that. Nice pool with the jacuzzi, waterfall. And here we are going to the back. Look how private this is. This is your backyard. Private, wooded, gas sprinkler. And here is to your basement workshop. Doesn't work for the basement, but as you all can tell, you have 2 units, full brick. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home in a great neighborhood. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tour. Sorry I didn't have the key. We are going live this week. I didn't have the key to the basement. I'll get with the seller and get the keys and eventually show you guys the basement. Perfect for a deal for a workshop area. Until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this property. It is a 2,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath in Bradford Park community here in Harrisburg. So if you need some information about this home, give me a call, 704-904-5152, and looking forward to showing you this property. Adios.